In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert clip and split in CapCut. By the end, you'll know how to place a second clip neatly between two parts of your main footage, so everything flows smoothly without messing up your timing. Start by opening CapCut and creating or opening a project so you can see your timeline at the bottom and the preview at the top. Make sure you're in the correct aspect ratio for your edit, so your footage stays consistent throughout. Bring your primary video into the timeline. This is the clip you'll be cutting and making room in. Once it's on the main track, scrub through and decide exactly where you want the new clip to appear. Zoom into the timeline a little if you need more precision. Tighter zoom makes frame-accurate edits much easier. Now, split the video. Move the playhead to the exact frame where you want the insertion to begin, and click the split tool to cut the clip. You should now see two separate segments on the same track. If your inserted clip needs to start later, make a second split at that later point, so you've defined a clear gap where the new clip will live. The goal is to create a clean opening between two cuts so the new piece can slide right in. Place the playhead right on the cut line where the insertion will go. You'll notice it snaps to the split, which helps with accuracy. Keeping the playhead parked at the split gives you a reference point and helps CapCut understand where you intend to drop the incoming clip. With your second clip visible in the media panel, click and drag it down to the main track and hover between the two split segments. Look for the visual cue that shows it will land between the cuts, not on a higher track. When you release, CapCut will insert the clip at that point and push the right-hand segment forward to make space. If the new clip is too long or too short, use the trim handles to adjust its duration so it fits the pacing you want. Make sure you're dropping it on the primary track. If it lands above, that creates an overlay instead of a true insert. Press play to preview the join, and listen for any abrupt audio changes. If needed, nudge the edges a frame or two until the transition feels natural. And that's it. You've opened your project, added your main video, made a precise split, parked the playhead on the cut, and drag the second clip right into place for a clean, professional insert.